Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Or in this video show, I want to show you guys how to analyze volatility 50 index and how you can, because the market, this space is going to buy massively very soon. So I want to give you a heads up on what you should expect and how you can analyze the market to also take the advantage of the next move the market is about to make. Alright, so first of all, I've come to the daily time frame to start my analysis, and you can see that the market is currently on a key level. You can see we have a key level right here where the market bought and sold, and can mark it with this horizontal, with this rectangle. You can see it buys and sells around this particular spot. This zone, you have market bought from here. We're going to change this color to be black, and market also sold from here. Market bought from here, market bought from here. And market is now trying to buy from here. Yesterday's candlestick on getting here, it rejected. So now we are expecting the market to buy. Now, coupled with the fact that if you've been watching my videos, you will understand that I concentrate mostly on the current structure. My concentration is always on the current structure. Looking at what the market did previously, the market was selling impulsively to the downside, and from here it started correcting. You can see this corrective impulse. This is a corrective impulse in the market, meaning that there's a chance the market is going to be buying to the upside. And for the fact that this corrective impulse is started forming as it approaches a key level, this adds to the confidence that the market is going to be buying to the upside very soon. All right, so like I told you in the other video, if you trade a drop based rally or rally based drop, you will see that this is going to be a very nice rally for you. And just watch out, guys, just watch out. Alright, so I placed my two horizontal lines, my two trend lines, one above and one down, to mark out this correction, this impulsive correction, guys. Then we have to go down to a lower time frame and take note of the fact that there's also a key level around here. So I can use a horizontal line to mark out this key level right here. I can mark this with a horizontal line. I don't have any business here actually because it's very far from where the current price is. Alright, so I'm just putting it there for demonstration purposes. And then let's go to the 4-hourly time frame, guys. Alright, so on the 4-hourly time frame, what do we have here? You can see what the market did. This is the corrective impulse it formed, and the market is now trying to buy. It's kind of forming a double bottom right here. This looks like kind of a double bottom, and the market is trying to buy to the upside. So I am expecting something of this nature to happen in the chart. Now the market might be buying, breaking above this trend line. It might get to a level like somewhere here, then comes back to retest where it bought previously, and it will buy massively to the upside. This will make a kind of a strong head and shoulders pattern in the market, so that we'll be having the left shoulder here, I'll be having the head here, and this will be the right shoulder, inverse head and shoulders pattern, and the market will be buying to the upside. This is what I'm expecting, because definitely market is going to buy based on this structure we are seeing. Alright, so on this particular time frame, we only try to have a more clearer view of what we saw on the daily time frame. So what we need to do now is to also take note of some key levels in the market. You can see the market, this is actually a key level here too. That's a key level. Right, so this is a key too. Oh, sorry, let me return this, then copy it. Alright, so this is a key level right here in the market too. On this 4-hourly time frame, that's a key level. And you can also see that the market was actually moving. If we want to pull a trend line, we'll have something like this, guys. We'll have something like this to also consider in the chart. You need to learn how to draw these lines, because they will help you. They will help you understand where the market has gone to and where it is already, and where it is also heading to. Alright, so the market was also dancing around this point, and the last time it got to this week, you can see it didn't close above, it closed below it, and now it's trying to see if it can break above. If the market can break above that week on this particular time frame, which is a 4-hourly time frame, then you can find an entry, then knowing fully well that there's a resistance zone here, which the market can possibly reverse, will possibly react to, maybe reverse before buying above to come back and form the head and shoulder pattern I showed you previously. So we can go to the 1-hourly time frame now. Let's go to the 1-hourly time frame and see what we can get from this chart. Alright, let me reset the chart quickly. Now on the 1-hourly time frame, this is what we have, guys. This is what we have. Now you can see that the market, what it did actually was to was this. It was selling from this point down. We can maybe draw this trend line if there is any need for that. Then see how to drag it this way. So we have something like this in the chart. So the market seems to have even broken above that trend line. But let me just leave it at that point. Let's see what the market is going to do, because I expect the market to react. This is a strong zone here in the market. This is a strong zone here again on the 1 hourly time frame where the market bought and sold. But though it's not too strong, this kind of a level will be more better viewed when we go to the 15 minutes time frame. Market bought and sold around this level. So there's a chance the market may want to sell down to this level here. But if it can break above this level and close above it, like the market can go kind of break above this level and close above it, then comes back to retest, there's a chance it's going to buy to the upside, and take note of the fact that they will have a strong resistance zone right here. So that's what I'm seeing on this particular chart right now. So this zone here must be broken and closed above. You might be wondering, the market closed above but didn't still go down. Closed above this zone previously but didn't still continue buying. There was a resistance zone here. This was a key level here. And mind you, for the fact that we have a trend line here, so this is just a reaction to what we have around this point. So now if the market can break above this level at this point, at this time around, there's a very high chance it might go above this key level here, then continue buying to the upside. It might come and react here or break above, then we'll see some stop in the market, because this low has to be broken. This low here, high here, where we have this key level, it has to be broken, because that's the hideout was formed after the market got to this level here. This is the most recent lower high. So the market can break above it, then comes back to retest this key level here. Then we should expect massive sales, buys to the upside. What I mean is this: we see something like this, market goes above this level, then comes back to this zone, and gives a confirmation we were expecting massive buys to the upside. That's what we should be expecting, guys. It's very simple, and you see our head and shoulders pattern would then become. So we can still go to the 15 minutes time frame and try to see if there's anything we can capture from there, guys. Also, do not forget the fact that we have to always take note of this movement in the market, the correction, the impulse, the impulsive corrections. You can see the movement of the market around this point. This was actually an indication it's going to sell. If you go to a lower time frame, you will see this kind of movement here indicates a possible change in direction of the market, and you can see the market change direction and so to the downside. So always take note of this kind of movements in the market, guys. It's very important. All right, then let's go down to the 15 minutes time frame to see what we can get there. Okay, so we set the chart. Then on the 15 minutes time frame, what do we have? What do we have here? All right, so you can see what the market did. See what the market did. It's still on this same level which I told you guys, and the current 15 minutes candlestick is actually rejecting this same zone. It's actually rejecting, so it might be selling down to the downside. It might want to sell to the downside, then still go back there. But until this high is broken, this key level is broken, the market is not going to buy above. So we want to see the market break and close nicely above this zone. They will expect it to go above this particular key level and continue buying to the upside. But from the look of things, I can pull a trend line, because I see the market would possibly want to sell for a little while before going to buy, based on this structure I'm seeing here on the chart. Based on this structure I'm seeing here on the chart on this particular time frame, there's a chance the market is going to sell first. So the sales wouldn't be a really long one, but if the market can go below this trend line here. If the market can go below this trend line, I want to see some sales to this downside, maybe at least somewhere here. Then the market will come back and probably go above this level, then come back to retest. Then it won't even retest immediately here. What I mean is, what the market would possibly do, get to this level to buy this time around, go above. Even if it hits here and comes back and retest this level, to then go back. But I expect the market to come back to this level to buy massively to the upside. This is what I really expect to happen on the chart, guys. This is what I expect to happen on the chart. Guys, analyzing the chart is very simple. Technical analysis is very simple. You just need to understand some key stuff. The direction of the movement of the market, the type of movement, the key levels in the market, draw trend lines, notice the all those little things I've been mentioning to you guys, they are very important, you know. Like what I showed you on the 1 hourly time frame about the movement of the market around there. You can see the movement here. This is a corrective impulse that it was buying, and the next thing was the market to sell massively to the downside, guys. So it is best if you can practice these things and understand them, because to help us have an edge, you know, trading this pairs rather than some kind of sophisticated or complex strategies or analysis. You know, it's very simple. If you watch this video and you do not understand, I want you to go back and watch it. You can even download it and watch it. Just see what I've done. I concentrate on the structures. The structures the market form is what I use in working. I work on what the structures the market forms, you know. So if the market can keep on forming those structures, then we'll keep on making money with them. You know, so we just learn how to identify these structures, and then we flow with them, you know, get our good entry, enter a trade and make some good money with it. You know, I've even seen something like this is a possible higher high, higher low, you know, something like this. That's what I'm saying here. You know, so the market, this structure indicates a possible breakout, but we will still have to come down because of this movement here. But what I have told you previously is that what the market will do is it has to come below this trend line, come down here, then maybe anywhere around, because there's a key level here on the 15 minutes time frame. There's a key level around here. Get bought and sold around this level. The market can get to somewhere here, or go below, go up to this level, then go above, comes back, then buys massively to the upside. All right, guys. So without wasting much time, I think you should just try to follow this analysis, follow up with this analysis, then practice it. You know, just keep practicing it. Learn to draw these lines, learn to draw the key levels, learn to identify different movements of the market on the chart. With this, you'll be able to, you know, do some good market analysis that will help you, make you profitable, you know, and to help you to make some good trading decisions, guys. All right, guys. So please subscribe to this channel if you've not done that yet. Like this video, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Meanwhile, there's a link in the description of this video that's going to take you to my Telegram channel. In that channel, I post some setups, and also share information about my mentorship trainings and other some events like that. So if you're interested in my one-on-one coaching or one-on-one mentorship, guys, when you get to the channel, you find my direct contact. Then you meet me so that we negotiate your so that you understand everything that entails about my mentorship. And depending on which category you want to go, if you are a beginner, or you're intermediate, or even you feel you are a professional but you're not yet profitable, you can still, you know, contact me so that can help you put it through, guys. These things are very simple things. I try to make them very easy for anyone who is learning through me to practice and succeed, except your mind is not yet made up to, you know, learn these things and succeed. Because there are people that are really bent on, you know, they want to get signals every now and then. They want to rush in making money, but they don't want to learn. Guys, you have to learn, you know, and you have to spend money to learn. Just pay for knowledge. Forget about this ones you are seeing on YouTube, you know. You know, this right now, you can just watch this video and practice it. But you pay money for the knowledge, and like, you have somebody you can be falling back to for questions, and, you know, to put you through in some stuff you'll be finding challenges. It makes you easy to understand. It makes these things very easier for you guys. So that is why you need a mentor. You know, it's not compulsory. It's not compulsory, guys. So just like the video and subscribe to this channel if you've not done that yet. And till my next video, stay blessed. Peace out.